the cement shape workshop. For all kind of rope work, splicing. And also used as a gym in the evening by the students. This can also be converted into a refrigerated room. It has a volume of about 20 cbm here. And there's another, this one is for the welding workshop. So this can also be used as a refrigerated room. Now from here we'll go down to the engine room workshop. This is the top view of the workshop. You see, so this was hatch number 1. Now we are in the hatch recess or excess, going down. Here you can see is the front area of the hatch workshop, emergency compressor, injector testing machines, and we have our number 3 generator, which is 130 kilowatt. You will see, note that ample of space is around the generators. It's for the students to stand around and witness the overhauling part. So this is generator number 3, which is in front for the students for learning purpose. And there down below you can see is the engine room workshop area, which has been changed into a classroom, but it can all be vacated and you can have 100 cbm space here for fishing. All this area can be vacated. All the stools, benches, slices can be removed, and in fact this whole area can be converted into area. All the old machines and everything has been kept here just to demonstrate to the students. So it's just lying here dead weight, which can be removed and can be converted. So you can see the working lathe machines which are rigged here, and you can see the drilling machine, the grinders, another lathe machine, vices, and now we are entering into the engine room area. The main engine, what you see is the no-hub Polar engine. Generator number 3, which is a DC generator, so students can get experience of DC generator, and it's used for all the deck machinery. Blue oil pump, filter, purifier, pump. The engine is operated from here, but it's also controlled from the bridge. You can have automatic control or manual control. This is generator number 2, which is AC generator, 65 kilowatt. You can see it's completely overhauled. run, which is consuming only about 100 liters per day when it's idle. Cooler, yeah. The top view of the main engine. Way up to right up to the skylight.